So guys, I've been high-key worried about what my long-distance relationship is actually doing to my health. And no, this is not one of those clickbait videos, and I'm not hiding a double meaning behind the statement. I'm actually being super serious right now. I mean, I've seen so many posts on social media about long-distance relationships, what are the pros, what are the cons, but I've never seen anyone point this one thing out, which I think is the most serious problem of all. I'm currently in Germany and I'm in a long distance with a guy who's in America, so I'm 6 hours ahead of him. This usually means that I cannot talk to him on weekdays because by the time I come home from work, he is at work, and when he gets back, it's already my bedtime. So unless I stretch myself really thin and stay awake for an extra few hours just so that I can talk to him when he gets back home, we cannot talk on weekdays. So naturally, weekends are when we actually talk and have proper conversations. So we basically stay on call all day and all night, which brings me to the problem. My screen time, yes. So like really, I have a serious screen addiction problem. I mean, I've always had it because I do social media and all that stuff. But the best thing about my boyfriend being around me was that I would be off my phone. But now I have to be on my phone to talk to him. So naturally, I'm on my phone all the fucking time. Every 2 minutes, I have to reach for my phone and I have to open my messages. I have to refresh them to see if he texted, if he woke up, if he's going to sleep, what is he doing? Is he back from the gym? Constantly have to know what he's doing. So I keep reaching for my phone, and it's gotten so bad that if I go on without my phone for 5 minutes, my hands are basically shaking. Honestly, if I lose my phone for an hour, I think I'm gonna have a panic attack. I'm not even kidding. I think I might even stop breathing. And the phone is not the only problem. Basically, by the time he gets home from work on weekdays, it's already my bedtime, and I cannot stand the thought of having no contact with him on weekdays whatsoever. When I'm sleeping, I usually leave my laptop on and I sleep on video call, so when he gets back, he can watch me sleep. And the sleeping on video call thing, I cannot compromise because I have trouble sleeping and I need to know that he's there next to me. So I usually keep my laptop really close to me because he's on the other end of the video call. So I watch him as I go to sleep and he watches over me as I'm sleeping, and that gives me a sense of comfort, you know. And by the time I wake up, he's already asleep and he stays on call. So this time I'm watching him sleep. For the last 2 months, we've been sleeping together on video call every single night with the laptops this close to our faces. I mean, this has got to be bad, right? Then comes the part where I'm actually starting to get depressed, and I'm convinced just because I'm on my phone all the fucking time. So I basically spend my Saturdays and Sundays on my fucking phone all day, you know, instead of like going out, soaking some sun, making some friends in real life, and you know, just having a life. I mean, what other choice do we really have? Weekends are the only time that we can actually properly talk to each other. So yeah, I'm basically depressed, I'm sleep deprived, and my phone and my fucking laptop are probably giving me some sort of cancer that I don't know about. But I have a boyfriend and I'm happy.